Yeah, and so, Keith, what do you think it is that makes you so nervous when you're on the stage?
I don't know. I just know that having Michael behind me really disturbs me. And it's a trust issue. I can't trust him.
Yeah, and do you think he's a werewolf?
What?
A lycanthrope.
Yeah, I heard what you said. What do you mean?
I believe the word you use is the wolfman, yeah?
No, I know what a werewolf is. Why would I think Michael's a werewolf? Look, I don't even believe in werewolves.
Okay, yeah, well, it's the fear of the unknown. So whether it's the werewolf or the vampire or the super duper otter, yeah?
Wait, what was that last thing?
The super duper otter, yeah?
I don't know what that is.
You've never heard of this, the super
I
duper
don't know.
Keith, surely. Yeah, the beak of the eagle, and the body of the phoenix, and the feet, and the little tiny legs of the lizard, and the wings of the eagle. Yeah?
You're talking about a parrot again, aren't you? You bring this up every week, and by the way, I've never heard you call them that.
Yeah, well, I know how the term parrot upsets you.
Why would the term parrot upset me?
Well, Keith, you can tell me it doesn't, rankle you to see these little mammals who are able to respond to every possible, defense you can muster in perfectly nuanced English.
Look, my aunt had a parrot. I'm fine with parrots. It never bothered me.
Your aunt's parrot comes up again. Yeah?
You keep bringing them up. I don't know what your obsession with parrots is.
Keith, have you read my book, The Parrot Between Us?
Look, your book is just a bunch of pictures of parrots. It's not. It's totally unuseful for me. I have no fear of parrots. I don't want your book.
Yeah, well, you've paid for it,
What?
3 times, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, it's on your bill.
What?
Going on 4.
Forget it.
Nancy, release the parrots.